Welcome, here I've got ALCATEL One S 2021 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera shooter sound at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on auto photo mode. Let me take a picture. As you can hear, the sound is turned on. To turn it off, let's go to the left corner button to open the advanced camera settings. Now we have to slide a little bit down to the general category, and here we can find the shooter sound option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. Now let me keep it turned off. When we move back to the camera and when I take another picture, we can't hear anything. And of course, when we tap to the left corner button to the settings, once again slide down to the general category and tap to the shooter sound button, we can turn it on and hear it again. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.